build it. I'm going to use the same base frame that we have used for our line following robot. If you haven't seen it, click right here or maybe here. I don't know where it comes. I'll put the link in the description. Check it out. And now let's place these two motors also. And here we go. It's not necessary to do this thing. We can also do this thing using the caster wheel that we have used for in our previous video, but for the sake of show, I'm going to use these four motors. Now let's connect these motors to the motor driver. But my motor driver is a 2-channel and not a 4-channel. But it's not a problem because we can connect these two motors to the same output and these two motors to another output. Now let's wire it up. Now let's program it. Done it. It's already here. Here we have a Arduino, our motor driver, and the Bluetooth module. So now let's try it. Don't worry, I have provided the link for the schematic and code in the description. It is much easier for you to look into the schematic rather than looking at this mess. I'll explain it how it really works in another video because I thought of explaining about the Bluetooth module also. So it's for another content. It's all ready now. Now let's test it. For doing that we need an application. I tried to make one but it was a complete failure as you would have imagined. But I'm not going to give up. I'll try it in another day. But for now we need an application. So I tried so many applications, but the one which most attracted me was this one. Because in other applications I found the buttons were like just buttons. That means it were like, turning on and off. But in this case it's a touchdown thing. So it really attracted me, and also it can access your device accelerometer. That means I can control my car also by tilting the phone. Isn't that cool? So I really like this one, and thanks for making this wonderful application. Now let's try it. It's all working great. But something is missing, right? I didn't like the look. Let's mount it. Hey guys, I removed its tire gripper so that it can move easily. So let's try it. So let's first connect it. Yeah, it's now connected. See it? That's how it works. See how it spins. Nice. Oh, the battery. I'll show you how the accelerometer works. So let's see it. See it? So when I tilt it, so I'll show you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And this is me, Deva Prakash. I'll catch you in the next one.